I have your May 2026 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Bielon with House2home Properties with a real estate market update for May 2026. We manage single-family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In May 2026, the median rent was $2,600 and the days on market was 29 days. Compared to the previous month, rents have dropped 3.3% and is taking 7 less days to rent a house in Tampa Bay. And compared to this same time last year, rents have remained the same and is taking 4 days longer to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Here are Zillow's rental numbers for houses. This is for the entire United States. In May 2026, the national median rent was $2,300. Compared to the previous month, rents have remained the same nationwide. And compared to this same time last year, rents have dropped 1% nationwide. In the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. It looks like rents appear to be leveling off, even dropping a little. And the next graph shows the history of the days on market for Tampa Bay. The days on market appear to be going down now. Houses were sitting for a while, but it's showing some improvement now. All right, here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This is for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In May 2026, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,371. Hillsborough County had 974 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 397. There was a 5.4% increase in eviction filings from a month ago, and a 4% decrease in eviction filings from a year ago in Tampa Bay. I included a graph showing the eviction activity throughout the months. All right, the lease renewal rate. Here is the lease renewal rate for House2home Properties. We are renewing 85% of our leases as of last month. And let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. The sales numbers, these are the sales numbers from the MLS. This is for houses sold in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In May 2026, the median sales price was $449,000. The days on market was 33 days, and the month's supply of inventory was 3 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have increased 3.2% and is taking about the same amount of time to sell a home in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, house prices have increased 2% and is taking 6 days longer to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. And here are Realtor.com's national home sales. This is for the entire United States. In May of 2026, the median home sales list price was $429,500. That is a 2.4% decrease from the previous year. The days on market was 52 days. That's 1 day longer to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings increased 2.1% from the previous year nationwide. Okay, in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. Home prices for both Tampa Bay and nationwide appear to be rising slightly each month from the beginning of this year. And finally, now the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In May 2026, the mortgage interest rate was 6.51%. From the month prior, the interest rate increased 0.21%, almost a quarter of a point. The previous month's rate was 6.3%. And from last year, the interest rate decreased 0.38%. The previous year's rate was 6.89%. And in the graph here, it looks like interest rates are rising. That's your market update for May 2026. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Bielon, and I'm always here if you need help with your property. Thanks for watching.